So in this video, we're going to be looking at how many ICP coins will be necessary for you to become a millionaire, and some of the most viable price predictions for the project. Please remember that this is not financial advice, and be sure to do an extensive research of your own so as to be able to make quality research behind what is shared in this video. So at the time of recording, one ICP coin is valued at about $13.20, and its market cap is valued at $6.23 billion. With a lot of expectations to go even higher. ICP is a coin that has had quite the strange performance in the past. The coin was once trading at a price higher than what even BNB had been able to achieve as an all-time high. According to CoinMarketCap, ICP's all-time high valuation is about $750, while CoinGecko records the same as about $700.65. Now, this was back in May 2021. And it sure seems like a great price for those who got in early enough to get the seed stage, where a number of institutional investors took interest in the project for all of the utility that it really promised. Compared to those days, ICP is trading at a pretty low price that is way below its current all-time high. Still, this current price level is a huge upgrade on what it was trading at around September 2023. At that time, one ICP can easily be bought for just $2.39. The price then rose dramatically to touch about $10 and up till the current price. This is amazing profit of at least 7x if you bought for the long hold at the time. It further established that ICP is definitely not a small project and is destined to perform even much more. So the story of ICP is more than a fallen giant whose great expectation is to once more trade at a great and mighty price level that it once served. That's why the coin has seen so much buying pressure since the reality of the bull run began to surface, and it is expected to be one of the biggest performers. Predictions suggest that the project could potentially reach at least $50 to $150. Now, I personally think that the $100 price level is a safe enough bet, considering reaching any higher level will take a couple of months, and really none of this is guaranteed on the real length of this bull run. So I'm not so sure that it could reach $200. But still, with that price level, you would have made an awful lot of money buying in at $13.20 to sell at $100 per ICP. You'd only need to own about 11,000 worth of ICP. At the $50 price level, you'd need to own up to 20,000 ICP coins for the effect to make $1 million and perhaps enjoy even more profits as the price ventures beyond that level. Now, I know a lot of these predictions are expected to come from the hype of the bull run. However, if you take a closer look at ICP, you will find that it has quite the interesting utility. The aim of ICP is to become a decentralized powerhouse, shaking up the crypto scene with its cutting-edge technology. It operates a decentralized cloud storage infrastructure operating on its own blockchain and manages a host of data centers into one centralized unit. Its ultimate solution is designed to change the regular internet into a fully decentralized one, hence the name Internet Computer. Recognizing its potential, the team behind ICP published several papers explaining what the project was about, and it became a source of reference for research cryptographers who cited it in more than 100,000 publications, and pretty much all of its applications earned it about 200 patents. So, if you're wondering why a crypto project would launch at a price above $700, this accreditation in the research field was a major boost as it brought quite the funding for developers. As the bears would have it, the coin inevitably crashed as some early investors took profit. The coin began a gradual crash to about $30 in just under a month from when it launched, and then falling as low as $2 during the bearish market that prevailed throughout 2023. Seeing how steep the fall has been, it may never recover to such a high level. It will be one long and hard journey where its fundamentals would be properly built up for the long-term solidity. The market cap of ICP is set at $6.5 billion at the time of recording, and it's expected to reach at least $20 billion, which could place a coin at about $50 per coin. Although it can no longer be classified as a small cap coin, perhaps if it were still trading at about $2, you could have enough room to buy a substantial amount of the coin, enough to make a 10x and maybe still 20x profit from it. Still, your minimum $1,000 to $2,000 investment at this point could yield some profits, which, if you are satisfied, you could take your profits without as much risk of being pushed out when the bull run comes to an end. We've seen bigger coins like Ethereum do 10x in the last bull run, and there's nothing to say that the same will not be achievable in the next bull run. To make $1 million, you need between 10,000 to 20,000 ICP, and I'm pricing that at around a $50 to $100 per ICP price. And considering the current price of about $14 per ICP, we're looking at spending between $140,000 to $280,000 to buy enough coins that it matters so much when the bull run really reaches its peak. And for those efforts, you're looking for a potentially large return on investment when the bull run takes effect. You might see some predictions that are aiming for $150. I wouldn't call them wrong because, well, I do not hold the keys to the market, but the real reason why I think a more conservative price of just $50 to $100 or less is likely is because of the shared attention that will exist in the crypto market at that time. Now, we will have people selling one coin to buy another, and with lots of FOMOs everywhere, pumping and dumping, we might not see some coins continue to rise higher and higher for long. Now, ICP is also spreading its wings into other aspects of the crypto market. With its inaugural Web3 applications, more metaverse projects will get a powerhouse capable of handling the real heavyweights of latency, bandwidth, and dependability. And what this is going to do is going to prove to be a greater utility than what Ethereum, Binance Chain, and Solana have been able to give. They are getting slower and really much more expensive to transact on. ICP is coming in as the unsung hero of metaverse hosting. ICP welcomes augmented reality, virtual reality, and 3D structures of any kind. And it doesn't end there. Consider introducing artificial intelligence into the mix, creating avatars that redefine metaverse dynamics. And developers can do so much more with ICP's decentralized infrastructure. One example of its metaverse use cases is evident in the Poked Studios launch of the bot's NFT collection on the internet computer. This marked an early exploration into this virtual landscape. Notably, the sale of the rarest bot fetched a staggering 3,000 ICP. Additionally, IC Gallery also combines gaming and DeFi in an interoperable 3D metaverse where users engage in immersive experiences to play, mint, and trade their NFTs seamlessly. ICP has a host of other applications such as DeFi and is really pioneering the emergence of next-generation exchanges like Sonic, Infinity Swap, and ICP Swap. Powered entirely on-chain, these platforms leverage the internet computer's innovative reverse gas model and lightning-fast 1-second transaction finality. Users benefit from zero gas fees and unparalleled speed for swaps, transactions, and even more. Meanwhile, in the world of non-fungible tokens, there has been quite some progress made. At Art Basel, the lead artist of the Bored Ape Yacht Club unveiled a fresh collection hosted on the internet computer. This showcased the platform's capacity for handling large file sizes. And what this does is signals a shift as artists explore NFT platforms beyond Ethereum. Notably, Origin, an NFT marketplace on the internet computer, garnered significant attention with a valuation soaring to $300 million following investments from notable figures like Paris Hilton and Wall Street veteran Bill Ackman. In gaming, Metasports basketball pioneers on Open Basketball Metaverse. Here, users deployed their favorite Ethereum and internet computer-based NFTs to vie for stardom on teams they own and manage. There is also OpenChat, a social media platform with up to 100,000 users exchanging close to 1 million messages via its decentralized messaging service. District, likened to a decentralized Facebook, has amassed over 70,000 user accounts and 100,000 posts, all achieved with minimal gas expenditure. Dmail emerges as a Web3 alternative to email, enabling blockchain-backed encrypted communication. Likewise, DSocial offers a decentralized take on YouTube, empowering content creators with fair token rewards for their contributions. This, among others, are the reasons why I think ICP is surely going a long way. Now, what's your price prediction for ICP in 2024? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll chat with you guys in the next one.